On March 10th, a giant leap was made in open-source journalism. The Guardian, the London-based newspaper, unveiled Open Platform. Open Platform allows developers to use every article available on the Guardian's website to build applications for the Internet. The technology contains two services. One is the Content API, which can be used to select and collect content from the Guardian for reuse. The second service is the Data Store, which is a directory of data maintained by Guardian editors. So what are the benefits to using Guardian content? Well, the site has over 1 million articles going back to 1999. All articles, including news, reviews, sports, and commentary, are already tagged by editors, making it easy to categorize content. The tagged content can be mixed to build customized pages and RSS feeds, such as this page that contains articles tagged "Comment is free" and Barack Obama. So what's so great about this Content API thing? Well, first of all, it is run using the Guardian search engine, which can be used for free text and keyword searches. 2, it allows developers to access entire collection of tagged articles. Number 3, the Content API supports output in XML, Atom, JSON, or almost any other programming language. And unlike the New York Times' article search API, the Guardian's Content API permits commercial use of articles. So what's the data store? Do you actually have to purchase the information? The data store is a selection of statistics compiled by Guardian editors for public use. There's no fee to use the data. Users are encouraged to take the data and mash them up into an application. Here's an example of the data being put to use. This interactive graphic by a Guardian multimedia producer illustrates what can be done with a data set on state population by race. Can anybody just start building applications using the Content API? No. Developers wanting access to the API platform need to apply for a key. After that, they need to provide feedback on what they are doing with the Guardian's content and agree to the strict terms of use. The Guardian claims it's going to open up the service more in the future. So what's the catch? Surely there has to be some sort of monetary incentive for the Guardian. Well, all the Guardian's content is free to use but contains embedded ads. Articles taken from the Guardian's database can't be saved for offline use for more than a day. There's a 5,000 search limit per day on articles. Additionally, the Guardian can revoke the terms of use at any time. The Guardian aims to generate revenue streams through advertising deals with organizations that use the content. What have other developers done with the Guardian's content? Zamanta used Open Platform to build a search feature that links Guardian news articles to other content on the web. For instance, when searching for the term Obama, the results show a list of Guardian articles on the left side and links to various concepts on the right side. Concepts contain links to related material on Wikipedia, IMDb, Last.fm, and YouTube. The Cast Sculpture Foundation, which sells and loans sculptures by UK artists, added Guardian articles about their artists to profile pages. Stamen Design built a map mashup that allows people to place geotags on Guardian content. It was created using a wiki world map called OpenStreetMap. Calv Sendu, a Ruby on Rails developer, mashed up Guardian reviews on music and film with Twitter to create tweet reviews. Criticism and praise. Scott Laut of PSFK says, "It remains to be seen what long-term advantages there are to appropriating the Guardian's content in this manner as opposed to simply pressing Ctrl-C. Nate Langson of CNET calls Open Platform an important step for newspaper publishing, and that this kind of proactiveness to move from being just a newspaper website to a global source for current and historic knowledge is admirable. It's indicative of one way publishers can monetize content in the future as publishing moves away from print and the web moves away from just sites."